All right, what up, YouTube? That back there is my last, well, just did it today, so it's like the last one I've done. It's not the last one I'm gonna buy, but it's the last one I've done. And it is a Mazda 3. Make sure to check out my TikTok. I'm also gonna add that video to this file so y'all can see the process on what was wrong with it. And this is the after. This car was hit on the fender, the door, and as you can see, the rear door. I was able to find the parts at a local salvage part place, and they're matching. Front bumper, the front fender is a little bit dirty, but as you can see, same color code. It's gonna match better than if I go get it painted. All right, what's up, TikTok? I know it's been a long time since I posted something about the car business, but I think I'm gonna also post this on my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna work on this Mazda 3. So this is a Copart purchase. As you can see, it was hit on the driver's side. I have drove this car down the road and back. Runs and drives perfect. The interior on this is actually pretty clean compared to what I normally get off of Copart. I think it's got like 177 on the miles. Battery's dead. But on this car, I actually got pretty lucky. I went to the parts junkyard place and I found two doors, same color, paid $400 for them. I could have went to pull apart and got both of them for about 150 bucks, but then I would have had to paint them. These are already going to be the same color, and I'm going to show y'all how it looks. All right, so I finally got the door and the fender removed. Pretty easy job, took me about an hour. Now what's going to take me the longest is switching all the manual stuff over to this electric door. So you can see there is no, it's called unibody. These newer cars, they don't have a frame. There's no unibody damage. All right, so it's been a long day, but the car is complete. Let me show y'all. Check it out, check it out. This one right here is a very easy Copart rebuilt vehicle. And I'm actually gonna post this on my YouTube, so make sure to check out my YouTube video because I'm gonna go in a little bit more on why this car was totaled out by the insurance and why something like this would be a great buy. Now you might be wondering, why would just a door and a fender total out a car? It's pretty simple. They went through the insurance, and insurance isn't just gonna look at a door and a fender. They're gonna actually look at the rear door. The body shop isn't gonna go to pull apart and grab these parts. As you can see, it's got some damage right there. So insurance is looking at bumper replacement, fender replacement, door replacement, quarter panel paint, probably get into the trunk, rear bumper, hood, and the front bumper is going to be painted, so the other fender would be blended in. And if they would include that into the damage, then there's some more damage right there. But me, as a used car dealer who sells Copart cars and does financing, most of my customers, they're not going to care about dents like that. What they care about is getting a car that runs and drives at an affordable down payment. And this car right here is going to be perfect. It's clean on the inside. It's got 177 on the miles. And it's ready to go. I know it's been a while since I posted something on YouTube, but I am still in the car business, still doing Copart. I slowed down a lot. I took on a real estate deal that I was working on, but I'm hoping to get some more videos going. He's still alive, so we're still going.